Hi, Namaste. Welcome to DL Educational Channel. Today we will learn about polynomial. What is the polynomial? What types of polynomials depend on terms? What type of polynomials depend on degrees? We will learn from the polynomial chapter. Okay, an algebraic expressions which the variables involved have only non-negative integral power is called polynomial. What is polynomial? Non-negative integral power. What is the power? This is base, this is power. In this 5x cube minus 2x plus 8, in this x cube, x is base, 3 is power, 5 is coefficient. Here 2 is coefficient, x is base. There is no power. We think there is one power. So there is one power. So plus 8. This is the constant number. So base power. Here base power. What is the non-negative integral power? Non-negative means positive number. Non-negative means positive numbers. Positive numbers plus number. Whole numbers 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on numbers. Positive numbers. There is positive. In the power there is positive number, and other one is two terms between there is minus or plus symbol. These are two terms. These are two terms. These two terms between there is minus symbol. Here two terms between there is plus symbol. Plus or minus. Separate two terms plus or minus, and the positive power is called polynomial. Okay. An algebraic expressions. This is the algebraic expression which the variables means variables terms. This is variable constant, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. In variables and non-negative integral, non-negative power. So two terms are plus or minus symbol. Plus symbol or minus symbol separate with two terms. Already before you learned that this is the constant number, this is literals or integral number. Variable. So this is the one term, this is one term, this is one term. These two terms separate with minus, these two terms separate with plus. This is the power 3, here power is 1. 3 is plus 3, 1 is also plus. So these are plus numbers, positive numbers. So this expression is, algebraic expression is polynomial. What is polynomial? Any two terms separate with plus or minus, then the powers are positive numbers. So is called polynomial. In this polynomials can be classified as monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials based on the number of terms it contains. Here classify the polynomials depend on terms. So we are classified the polynomials. What are they? Monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials. What are they now? Well, let us go to that. Here, a polynomial with a single term is a monomial. A polynomial with a single term. This is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is one, this is one, this is one. These are all examples for one term equal. What is polynomial with a single term? Single term is monomial. A polynomial with two terms is a binomial. This is a polynomial. In this polynomial, two terms. This one term, this one term. These are two terms. So two terms is called binomial. One term is called monomial. Two terms is called binomial. Here also this one term and this is another term. Two terms are given there. This is the binomial. Next one is a polynomial with 3 terms is trinomial. A polynomial, this is the polynomial, this is 3 terms. This is one term, second term, third term, 3 terms. This equation is include, in this equation include 3 terms. Here also in this 3 terms are there. So these kind of polynomials are trinomials. Trinomials means 3 terms. Binomial 2 terms. Monomial single term. In general, a polynomial may contain 2 or more than 2 terms. General polynomial means multi-polynomials. In the multi-polynomials, more than 2. More than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here given 4 terms are there. This is the multi polynomial. One is single term is monomial polynomial. 2 terms is, that is binomial. 3 terms are there, that is trinomial. More than 2 or 3, that is multinomial. Now let us go to the degree. What is the degree? Degree of polynomial is the highest degree of its variable terms. This is 3x square plus 4xy plus y square. In this equation, in this polynomial, here x is power, x is base, 2 is power. Here x is base 1 power, y base 3 power. Here y is base, power is 2. So here this is power 2. Here 3 plus 1 power 4. This is power 2. What is the highest? This is highest. This is the 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4. This is the highest power. So which term has more power, highest power is, that is called degree. So in this power 2, here power 2, here power 4. This is highest power. So this is degree. This is called degree. Degree of 3x square plus 4xy cube plus y square is 4. Highest degree is 4. Highest power is 4. Degree of 2x cube plus 3y plus 2 is 3. Here the power is 3. Here the power is 1. So which is highest? Power 3 is highest. So this is degree of this polynomial. Next, polynomials are again classified based on their degrees. Before you learnt, polynomials are classified depend on terms. This is depend on degrees. So you know that what is degree. Highest power is degree. So here constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? This is only numbers, digits. For example, 8. Example 8, 7 by 5, 9, 6 by 5, so on. These are constant numbers. There is no variable, only numbers, constant numbers. So this is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. This is show with k. This is degree is 0. There is no variable. There is no variable, so no power. So this is degree is 0. Next one is here linear equation or monic polynomial degree is 1. What is monic polynomial? In this polynomial the degree is only 1. 3x, 7y, 4y, 2y, 3z. These all examples for monic polynomial. This power is 1, this power is 1, this power is 1, this power is 1, this power is 1. So all are single power, single one. The power is 1. The degree is 1. So this is monic polynomial degree. Degree of this polynomial is 1. Second one is quadratic polynomial degree is 2. The degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Here 3x square plus 2x plus 8. This is one polynomial. Here the power is x square, in this power 2, 2x in this power 1. So highest power is 2. This is the power degree. Quadratic, this is called quadratic polynomial. Here also 4y square plus 2x plus 3. Y square power is 2. Here power is 1. This is the highest. Here degree is 2. This is the quadratic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial, degree is 3. Example 8x cube plus 3x square plus 7x plus 1. This is one polynomial. In this degree, here power is 3, here power is 2, here power is 1. This is highest power. So power 3 is degree, 3 is, that is cubic polynomial. Next, nth degree polynomial is n. P of x is equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 dash 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 so on a 0. A n equal to not 0. N not 0 anytime. So this is the nth degree polynomial. Thank you very much.